Today we're going to be doing a whole lot of nothing. But before we do a whole lot of nothing, we're going to do some workouts. I don't really do at-home workouts. I'm the type of person that does classes, and you know, Peloton and all these other companies are doing like free trials and free workout classes from home. But today I'm gonna do workouts from my favorite Instagram fitness people, and one of those is Fittish Nat. She was one of my childhood friends. She's my neighbor, and she has the most amazing body transformation, let me tell you. So go find her Instagram. I'm gonna put it here. So love her. She always posts really good workouts. And then the second person is Sammy Clark. I'm also gonna link her here and below as well. She posts really good, well-rounded workouts, and like her and her boyfriend do like YouTube videos on like health product reviews and all kinds of stuff. Let's get moving. We are going to take care of these glorious piles of clothes today. I don't know how Michael is still with me. So this is before, and you'll see after.
Da 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 da. When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of la chop, baby. Da 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 da. When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of la chop, baby. So cold.
For lunch, I'm gonna make a protein shake. And this is Amazing Grass Protein Superfood, and it has 20 grams of protein, 7 alkalizing greens, 2 servings of, babe, we're quarantined in the 1-bedroom apartment together, you're gonna be in the shot. And then it has 2 servings of fruits and veggies. It's also gluten-free, no added sugar, and plant-based and non-GMO. So some of the greens it has wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, something I can't pronounce, broccoli and spinach, and then it has pea, chia, quinoa and hemp protein, and beet, carrot, sweet potato, goji, acai, banana, and more for fruits and veggies. And this is the chocolate flavor. And you can either mix this with water, but I like to put it in my smoothies. I'm gonna do 1 scoop. I'm gonna do half a banana. Do 1 scoop of peanut butter. And then I'm gonna do a little spoonful of flaxseed. I'm gonna do 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla coconut milk. And then I'm gonna fill the rest with ice. Now, back to laundry. I don't know why, but I feel like really good today. The last week especially, there was so much anxiety built up around the coronavirus and everything, but now that we're isolated and quarantined, like all of that anxiety kind of, you know, goes away. And I think it's because I'm trying not to look at social media or the news too much. Like, I want to stay informed, but I don't want to let it freak me out. So I'm surprised like me and Michael are getting along very well. And I mean, we're usually pretty good, but it's just like, you never know what to expect when you're with each other. Literally for like, you're stuck in a 1-bedroom apartment for a week. I lost 4 pounds already. And I think it's because I kind of changed my mindset to be like, okay, I bought a food supply to last me essentially 2 weeks. And then I'm using really strict portion control to try to make that last longer, like to even them up. So I'm just not eating as much food, but I'm being very strategic in what I'm eating so that I'm getting the proper nutrients for my body. Like this morning I had my coffee, lunch I had my chocolate protein shake, which I kind of want to make a daily thing. And then, you know, dinner, having a super veggie packed dinner. A lot of the grocery stores, even like Whole Foods that's right across the street, is out of produce. I'm pretty much out of everything. So, you know, it's about, you appreciate like the little things a little bit more. So when you go to the grocery store on a normal day and you're just like, sometimes you're like, I don't know, I don't know what to get. There's too many options. Other times you're just like, whatever. But, you know, in this kind of situation, like, you kind of take what you can get and you have to make light of it. Usually when we go grocery shopping, we could have a whole fridge like packed of stuff, but then we're still gonna want to Postmate and order some food. And I don't know, this whole process kind of made me change that, and I'm not really craving anything as much anymore. Like I'm not craving to go to Chipotle, I'm not craving to go to Sweet Greens, or, you know, so I don't know, like, obviously the situation is very terrible and I want as many people to be safe and healthy as possible, but you know, it's going a lot better than I anticipated. So we spent the morning working out, we cleaned the whole apartment, I'm still working on laundry, we danced around, we laughed, we had fun, and you know, getting to spend more time with the dogs is obviously like amazing, because usually Mike and I are gone at work for you know, at least 8 hours a day during the week, and now we're like literally with them all the time. So like I could definitely see a change of behavior in them as well. Given the circumstances, we just have to appreciate the things that we have and have gratitude, and I'm very thankful and grateful to have a nice apartment, a nice and safe apartment. I'm grateful to have a grocery store right across the street. I'm grateful to be healthy. I'm grateful to be happy. I'm grateful to have a boyfriend that I could, you know, spend good time with. And, you know, for me, things could definitely be a lot worse. And, you know, if you're having a rough time with any of this, please reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you or help you in any way I can. I really want to take this as an opportunity for like self-reflection and goal setting, connecting with Michael on a deeper level, spending more time with the dogs, turning the bad into good, you know? Like, there's a lot of crazy things, and you know, when I tell my kids the stories of all of the craziness that's happened in the last week, I want them to know that you have the power to make your situation good, and your mindset is everything. It's just so like nice and peaceful, isn't it? Are you happy? Are you relaxed? Do you need to have this home? Same. We have Stan, who is a gentle giant, and then we have Finn, who is a freaking maniac. Made a little snack of some apples, half of the banana from my protein shake, some pineapple, and then I marinated some cucumbers in some lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, salt and pepper. I honestly can't even believe that I did this today. As you guys are all very well aware, there was a huge pile of clothes right here. Also, this dresser was covered in junk. This was stacked, piled high with clothes and a whole bunch of other stuff. I had my big hamper over here. This whole walkway you couldn't walk in. And now look how nice everything looks. It just feels so much better. And then we have our little vacuum named Jared doing the rest of the work. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.